Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with error code 524 in Roblox during 2025, you're not alone. This pesky error often shows up as a timeout issue, preventing you from connecting to servers and joining games with your friends. Don't worry. I'm here to guide you through simple, step-by-step fixes that can get you back in the action quickly. Let's dive right in. First, start with the basics. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable and fast enough for online gaming. Restart your router or modem to eliminate any temporary glitches. If you're on mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi or vice versa to see if that helps. Next, try restarting the Roblox app. On PC, close it via Task Manager. On mobile, force quit the app and reopen it. This quick reset can clear minor bugs causing the error. If that doesn't work, clear your cache. For browser-based Roblox, go to your browser settings and delete temporary files and cookies. On the app, you might need to uninstall and reinstall Roblox to wipe out corrupted data. Now, ensure Roblox is up to date. Head to the official Roblox website or your app store and download any available updates. Outdated versions can trigger errors like this one. Don't forget to check the Roblox status page for server issues. Sometimes, the problem is on their end, and you'll just have to wait for it to resolve. If everything looks good, move on. For more advanced fixes, flush your DNS cache. On Windows, open Command Prompt as admin and type ipconfig flushdns. On Mac, use terminal with sudo dscache-util flushcache. This can fix deeper connection problems. Lastly, if you're in a region with restrictions, try using a reliable VPN to connect to different servers. Remember to choose a trustworthy one to avoid security risks. There you have it. Easy steps to banish error code 524. Give them a try, and you'll be gaming again in no time. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.